We keep pushing the limits of technology, exploring how technology can truly change everyday life. Dreame, a global premium technology brand, since its founding, continuously innovating in the smart home appliance sector. High-speed motors, intelligent algorithms, and bionic robotic arms power three core technologies. Dreame is building a future-ready whole-home smart ecosystem, bringing cutting-edge technology to everyday life. Trusted by millions of households across over 100 countries and regions worldwide, Dreame's technology is unlocking endless possibilities for life. In every personal space, Dreame delivers full scenario smart solutions where advanced technology meets refined design, creating efficient, elevated living experiences. As technology moves beyond imagination, Dreame expands the boundaries of life, freeing people from repetitive chores. Time is redefined, filled with what truly matters, with passion and with those we love. From indoors to outdoors, across diverse scenarios, Dreame stays centered on people, seamlessly integrating innovation into every moment, making the everyday extraordinary and leaving more room for love. From home cleaning to healthy living, Dreame redefines modern lifestyles through premium innovation and exceptional quality, bringing ease and balance back to everyday living. Great technology is never accidental. It begins with curiosity for the unknown and relentless attention to detail. Through long-term commitment, Dreame embraces every breakthrough, reaching new heights through continuous iteration. The future doesn't stop here. Dreame continues to push boundaries, building a global technology ecosystem, advancing human society and civilization through innovation, making every dream worth pursuing.